Hello everyone, my name is Pixel Von Peter, and today I want to show you how I decorated my new studio room. I am not totally finished. I have a lot of things to add to it, and lots more to do, but doesn't it look awesome? If you're wondering, yes, I moved far, far away. Where did I move, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. I moved into the apartment next door. Take that, stalkers. You will never find me. They will never think to look just right next door. It's not like they watch my video. Oh, darn. Anyway, I'm just joking about that. I moved a good distance away. You didn't really believe me, did you?
Oh, Pixella, trying to cover up a little slip. What an idiot. Well, I just want to say something, you fucking stalkers. Yes, I'm talking to you, Bubba, Green Psycho, and Gaggins. You mess with my friend Pixella, and I'll fuck you up. That's right, a little piss-sized girl like me will fuck you up so hard, and you will go crying home to your mommy. Yeah, because we all know that your mommy's the only friend that you have. Okay, I'm just joking to you, Gaggins, but that's right. I meant it to the rest of you guys. What are you going to fucking do about it? Fight a doll? Fucking losers.
Now, Lolly, don't provoke those devils. You don't know what they are capable of. They are not quite right. They have anger issues you do not understand. If I can make a wish, if only one wish, that would be that my love John Cena would pay Bubba and Green a visit and teach those gosh darn boogerheads a lesson.
I don't think that will ever happen, Pixella. He is just too busy and making his money using charities and children to make himself look good in front of fans.
You're wrong, Lolly. He's a really caring, loving, sweet guy.
Whatever.
Well, that's it for now, everyone. This is Pixella Von Peter, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye, children.